Our factory covers more than 5,500 square meters with employees more than 90, monthly output 300 tons. Over 7 years of dedication to biodegradable materials and products, we have been able to provide our customers one-stop solutions from modified raw materials to finished products. Film-grade cornstarch-based modified biopolymers made of PBAT, transparent film-grade cornstarch-based modified biopolymers made of PLA, cornstarch-based modified master batch, biodegradable master batch for various colors, biodegradable and compostable films, biodegradable and compostable bags. Our factory has obtained ISO 9001, an international benchmark of the high standards assuring consistent quality. Our biodegradable and compostable products have been certified by OK Compost, DIN Certical according to EM 13432 by BPI according to ASTMD 6400 and AS 4736. Creditability, quality service. We value your time, value your investment, and look forward to cooperating with you. Hopefully, our cooperation could bring everyone a fruitful future.